Uh, it is kind of annoying when you buy things and it's, hey, I'm going to do a video on this, but then you can't eat them until you do the video. So today we've got Pringles. I've got cheddar cheese and Scorching BBQ. Now, I don't usually eat Pringles, but, so that's why, I don't know. So, but they both look good. This one has the Pringle with cheese and then a chunk of cheese on top of a cutting board. So that's some nice imagery going on there. The barbecue one has the chip on top of a jalapeno red pepper thing with some barbecue sauce and some flame. So again, nice cool imagery going on there. And he's all, it's so hot, I'm burning my tongue out. Oh wow, that's so their nutrition facts are actually pretty similar. Both of them are 150 calories per serving. Each serving is 14 chips, and there should be 6 servings per container. So something like maybe 100 chips per container. I'm not going to count them. No, 6 times 14. 6 times 4. Oh, fuck. 6 times 4 would be 18. So it'd be 78 chips per jar, per container. I'm probably wrong, but I'm probably not far off. Somebody do my math and comment in the comments. Excuse me a moment. Okay. So, I'm going to read off this one and then I'll comment when they're different. So, 150 calories per serving. Total fat, 9 grams, 12%. Saturated fat, 2.5 grams, 13%. Cholesterol, 0. Sodium is 160 milligrams, 7%. However, with the cheesy one, it is 180 milligrams, 8%. Carbohydrates, 16 grams, 6%. Dietary fiber, 1 gram, 2%. Added sugars. This one has added sugar of 1 gram, 1%. But this one has less than 1 gram and technically qualifies as 0%. They both have 1 gram of protein each in them. Okay, so they both have 0 vitamin D, 0 calcium, 0.2 iron, which is still 0 iron, and potassium is 110 milligrams, 2% each. But what's interesting is that this one, it stacks them out, but in this one, it puts them kind of side by side in a different shape. I like the purple and black. Did I mention that? Probably not. I don't think I did. Okay, so ingredients. Both of them are dried potatoes, vegetable oil with cotton, corn seed, hydrolytic, high oleic soybean, and or sunflower oil with degerminated yellow corn flour, cornstarch, rice flour, mono, and diglycerides. Okay. Contains 2% or less. Okay, yeah, and then they go into the Okay, so this one's got some extra colors in it. So I'm gonna read this one off. 2% of less or of whey, salt, monosodium glutamate, coconut, and oil. Oh no, they are different. Hold on. Okay, so this one, natural flavors, onion powder, citric acid, cheddar cheese, pasteurized milk, cheese cultures, salt enzymes, blue cheese, pasteurized milk, cheese, culture, salt, enzymes, buttermilk, sour cream, salt, lactic acid, non-fat milk, paprika, extract, color, disodium isonate, disodium glutamate, turmeric extract, yeast extract, autosiles yeast extract, wheat and starch. Contains milk, wheat ingredients. Okay, now this is what kind of threw me off, is that they got another paragraph down there that's in Spanish, so I'm going to ignore that. But we're going to go back to this one, and this one's spices and extra stuff. Contains 2% or less of sugar, salt, citric acid, whey, monosodium glutamate, onion powder, tomato powder, whey protein concentrate, cheddar cheese, milk, cheese, culture, salt, enzymes, natural flavors, garlic powder, spices, disodium isonate, disodium glutamate, hydrolytic corn protein, yeast extract, lactic acid, malt, barley, flour, paprika extract, color, vinegar, red 40 lake, malic acid, wheat starch, yellow 60 lake, and yellow 5 lake. Contains milk and wheat ingredients. And again, a bunch of stuff in Spanish and something in Hebrew down here for some reason. Which this one also has Hebrew on it. Maybe these are kosher. That'd be funny if these were kosher. I can smell them. So for some reason, this one seems to be a little bit lower. I think some chips at the bottom got smashed up. Yeah, some chips at the bottom of this one got all smashed up. This one I can smell the cheese. This one not so much. So this one's got definite reddish tint to it, and this one's got kind of a normal tint. Tastes like cheddar cheese. It's a decent Pringle. It's a good chip. I mean, so it's bursting with flavor. I mean, yeah, it's flavorful. Yeah, that's good. Not very good. Yeah. Rinse out my mouth a little bit. That one's got a noticeable amount of redness on there, doesn't it? Mmm. Mmm. You don't taste it, but it hits your sinuses. You can smell it all up in here. Mmm. I like that. It's again, not a super spicy thing. The flavor is there. You taste it up in here in your sinuses. You can almost feel it clearing me up a little bit even. That's kind of nice. Mmm. Mmm. Alright. And Colwen and the Space Squid with Pringles cheddar cheese and Pringles scorching barbecue. Now explains the barbecue sauce, but both good. Go get yourself a tube. Thank you for watching.